Hey you guys, this is a replacement stitch fix from my last one. I'm not sure if you guys remember that one, but it was kind of a bust. It wasn't terrible, but nothing worked out. So Stitch Fix reached out to me and asked if they could send me a quick turnaround, and they did, so here it is. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try-on of Stitch Fix. All right, I don't know what is going on, but I would love to get outside. It is sunny, it is warm, it is beautiful. I am home, I've been gone for a while. It just feels so good to be here. But all right, you guys want to know about Stitch Fix, don't you? I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm kind of like, what's wrong with my hair? I don't know. I need another cup of coffee, it's early. Okay, Stitch Fix, if you're not familiar, there is a $20 styling fee, and that is applied to anything that you purchase. You get this wonderful invoice, which I'm not going to look at, and a style sheet and a letter, or a note, I should say, from your stylist. And it looks like I have Emma again. She's been with me for a while, and I'll tell you, a lot of times things don't work out, but it's not Emma. I think it's more of what is available in the inventory, but she does understand my style. So it's just kind of, all right, let's be honest. I'm just really picky. I don't need a lot of things. I'm looking for some unique things and some more summer things. So, you know, we just kind of go with it and see what happens. My husband just opened his Stitch Fix last night when we got home, and I think he's going to keep one shirt, but it was just kind of like, eh. So, you know, the last box, he kept everything. And they said, can we send you another box? He's like, sure. So you never know. It's hit or miss with every single box that I receive. So, and I think a lot of us are like that. You can shop by category, so you can go on their website and you can, if you want to buy something, you can buy it outright. You don't have to wait for a box. But I like to request things in my boxes so that if you keep all 5, they send you 5 items. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount. And I just kind of, unless there's something I absolutely love that I've seen on another channel or something, and I just got to have it, that's the only time I buy anything from there. Otherwise, I just request it. They also give you an envelope to return everything that doesn't work out, and it does ship USPS. And let's see what's in my bundle. Okay, I'm going to show these to you real quick, and then we're going to do a try on, and I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what's in here. This is a pretty color, but I don't know. I don't know about a hood. Short sleeves. The quality feels nice. Hope these fit. It's a skirt. Or is it a skirt? It's a skirt. I have a skirt on now. Actually, this is a skirt from Leah that I bought last year. It's a little tight. Yeah, but I'm going to wear it anyways. Okay. Ooh, this looks tiny. Oh, it's a medium, so I don't know, maybe. It's got the raw hem. And it is a skirt, not a skirt. I don't know. Okay. Let's get to the try on. Okay, let's start with this top. Oh, goodness. This could be really cute. This is by KAILEIGH. It's a size small. It's $36. It's a peach color with more of a white polka dot. They're almost, no, they're like, kind of like polka dots, I guess. Okay, this is $36. Did I already tell you that? All right, this could be really cute, but it's not bra friendly. It's got these spaghetti straps right here, which I could probably wear a colored bra underneath this and it would probably be okay because I know a lot of people do that, but I'm just not comfortable doing that at my age. I do like the crisscross in the back, although the crisscross has been around a long time. I do like the sleeves. I think if these straps were a little bit thicker to cover my straws, I would probably love this top. I would only feel comfortable wearing a braless top, and let's just admit it, girls. Most of us, I don't think like strapless bras, so at least this girl doesn't. Let's see, I like the length of it. I like the feel of the material. It's lower in the back. It's a pretty cute top. It really is. It'd be nice to put on to go out to dinner or sit outside, let that sun soak on your shoulders. I just wish these, like I said, were a little thicker. Show you the color. It's cute. I don't know. Okay, the skirt. Oh, it is too tight. I've returned things before because they were too small, too tight. I've upped my sizes, but the skirt is a size 6. The 6 don't work anymore. These are by Liverpool. This is called the Maggie. It is $68. It has the side pockets, which is really nice. A lot of stretch, which is really nice. I like the pockets in the back. Does it have a slit? Yep, it's got a little kick slit. I don't know. I mean, I really like the skirt. I was really hopeful that it would fit. It feels really good. It feels really, really good. So I don't know. What do you guys think? If I size up in the skirt, this is really a cute outfit. I don't know. I don't know. I kind of like it. What do you guys think? All right, let's see what's next. Next top, I left the skirt on. This is really kind of cute. This is by KAILEIGH. It's $36. It's a size small. It is a pink and white stripe. It's more like a darker pink with the tie here. These don't, oh, do they? Oh yeah, they do. They do move. It's a nice length. It has a thicker hem here at the bottom, a band that goes all the way around. It is a hoodie. Short sleeves. I mean, it's cute. I'm not a hoodie girl, especially just throw something on just to wear throughout the day. Now, if I was planning on going, I don't know, where do you wear hoodies to? Like if you're, I don't know. I'm not a hoodie girl, and it took me a while to get to hoods, being, you know, having hoods on coats, and I get it now. So maybe I'm missing the boat on this, but this is just not for this girl. And this keeps moving back, and it's really tight on the neck, which typically doesn't bother me. But I mean, it's really cute. It's just not for me. So this is gonna be a definite no. Okay, let's see if we can get that black skirt on. Oh goodness. The skirt did not fit, and it's a size medium, so I was hopeful, but I could tell that it looked too small, but it has a lot of stretch in it. I love that it has the unfinished hem. This is by Just Black. It's $58, this size medium. It was so tight that I was afraid to walk down the stairs, because I go upstairs, change clothes, come back down. It's one way to get some steps in. So this, unfortunately, is a no. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's talk about this top. This is a Leah knit top, yoga top. It's $38. It is a size small. I just put my jeans back on. Actually, they're from Stitch Fix. I don't even know what they are. But it's a really cute top. It's a gray. I like this color gray. This one's okay. It's really soft. I mean, it's cute. Do I need it? No. Will I wear it? Probably not. So I don't know. Let's do a real quick review. What do you guys think? I mean, it's not a bad box. It's just that there's just some issues with every item. Like this top, this probably could have been a keeper if it had the thicker strap to cover the bra. I'm not gonna wear a strapless bra. I don't like it that much. I mean, I like it, but not enough to be uncomfortable in a strapless bra. I know I could buy a bralette or something like that to wear underneath it, but you know what? I don't wanna go look for something. I wanna know that, okay, I've got this, I can wear it. I'm just not, I don't love it enough to go to that effort right now. So this is gonna be returned. The skirt, I really like this. I need the size up. I don't know if it's 1 or 2 sizes, but this is very, very much my style. What I like to wear in the summer. I like everything about it. The quality feels great. And I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna size up. I'm gonna ask for the next size up in my next box because I have more of an opportunity to keep all 5 and get a discount. So I don't need it right now. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna request the next size up in my next box. Okay, this is totally not me. Not at all. I'm not gonna wear a hoodie shirt just because. No, it's nice though, the quality is really nice. But it's just, I mean, if you like this type of shirt, you're gonna like this because the quality is really nice. The color is nice, the style is nice. I mean, I like the length of it and everything, but no, that's going back. The skirt, oh my goodness. Oh, it's so small. I might ask for this, probably, well, this is a medium. So I wonder if this is more of a junior because a large still isn't gonna fit. That's how tight it was. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna pass. Why push it? I mean, I'd have to go to an extra large on this. It's kind of, it's not too short. Actually, I think I'm gonna request this in my next box too because I really like it. Okay, and it's a good quality and it's got the stretch in it also, but did not have enough stretch for me to try to walk down those stairs. No. Okay, this yoga top, I mean, it's nice, but I don't know, it's kind of cute though, isn't it? I don't know. I like the high neck of it. I just wish there was something, I don't know. It's like a t-shirt and I've got plenty of just casual shirts. I don't know what this symbol is. Maybe that's the brand. I don't know, I kind of like it. But I don't know if I love it enough. It is high neck, but this one doesn't bother me for some reason. Maybe if it was a bright color. I'm looking for some bright colors. And I think that might be why I'm drawn to this because it is a bright color. So, you know what? I'm gonna return it. No, I'm gonna kind of stick to I don't love it. So I'm gonna return it. If it was, like I said, if it was maybe a bright color, I'd probably consider keeping because it is really nice. It really is. So that's my stitch. This is another 5 for 5 that's going back. So that's okay. It's all right. I have the Style Pass, which I pay once a year, $49. So I'm not, you know, I've already spent that money. It's already, you know, been credited back to me on other purchases. So I'm not out anything and I'm not going to push it. I'm not going to like convince myself to keep something that isn't right. But I enjoy getting the box and I'll continue to get it because you never know. I've had a couple 5 for 5s and my husband, he's like, he gets so excited when he gets his boxes, but I told him, I said, you gotta sleep on these things before you make a decision. But that's it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.